It took us a year to complete the restoration of this 60-year-old Volga vehicle. During the period, the engine was refurbished. Old car slab remake? Exterior. After the paint surface is resprayed, it recreates the original appearance of this Volga back then. Volga 21 old car repair full record. He came first plate ribmaster to remove exterior parts. The rust is a bit thick. Hengdian master came on to remove the seat interior. The interior floor mat has been degummed and aged. It's inevitable to reset them all. Here you can see the traces of the floating rust of the base plate and the adhesion of the interior bottom pad. It's hard to imagine how serious the rust stone on the bottom plate is. Then remove the exterior key. These old parts will be refurbished one by one later. These are all the parts of the original car. Let's hear what the factory manager has to say. Yes, he fought back. It was repaired before. He used to beat Guling here, and he was very fierce. Just take a piece of iron and give it to him and weld it on like this. What about places like this? We'd give it to him, tear it all down. What about the damaged part? Do a repair. After repairing, give him a 1.1 restoration back. It seems that the amount of engineering this time cannot be underestimated. Forget it. Bite the bullet and continue to dismantle it. The mechanic came on to remove all chassis accessories. Remove all girder screws to separate the engine. Separate rear axle. This rear axle does not match the quality of previous restored models of the same era. Sure enough, there are traces of secondary renovation. Now look at the engine. You can see that this big heart has been refurbished as early as 2008. Before the official restoration, we all run ignition tests to check engine condition, log aging, and broken parts. Easy to fix and update later? Drop the engine alone first. Then remove all accessories on the engine and repair them separately. To polish the engine, paint, and rust removal, this step is to prepare for us to respray the new protective paint. After the engine paint and rust removal is completed, the next step is to respray a layer of anti-corrosion and anti-rust protective paint on the surface of the engine. Then a coat of paint is sprayed. Constant temperature drying? So far, the engine appearance repair has been completed. Waiting for loading. The next step is to deal with the body paint. We use the braking method of the whole vehicle to completely remove this high gray layer and car body rust. At this time, it is already obvious that the body ribs with holes and light transmission are everywhere. Before the official repair starts, first the body is sprayed with a layer of epoxy primer. Avoid secondary corrosion of exposed metal during bar repair. The ring young bottom air spraying before the repair of the plate bar is completed. Let's take a look at the truest slab situation of the body. The first is multiple large-scale rust stone loopholes. This part needs to be replaced in one piece. First, cut the repair sheet of the appropriate size. Next, tap the head shape according to the plane model drawn in equal proportions of the original car. After the prototype is completed, the upper bending machine folds out the arc shape, adjusts the flatness of the repair key and the arc shape. In addition, some parts need to be remade due to serious rust stone. Take the threshold pedal. The master needs to make a handmade copy. Measure the number of bumps and gaps. According to the measured bump clearance and quantity, map the marking die baseline. After the gap is carved, then the bumps are positioned according to the staggered baselines. Use an oxygenation tool to power up the decorative positioning hole. According to the size of the bump positioning core, the in-situ quantity and gap are drilled on the punching die after they are correct. Finally, hit the same number of point kernel shapes on the replacement key. Our threshold pedal is replicated. After the rest of the components are made in the same way, the remaining large area, the rust water is also cut and repaired in the same way. After the replacement and repair, it needs to go through the last round of plate reinforcement comparison. Adjust fit and flatness between components during bar repair. Ensure the texture of the final spray paint. The repair of the car body reinforcement has been completed. Next, it will be handed over to Room 7 for the paint repair of the whole car. Now let's lay down and rust the chassis parts as a whole. After all chassis parts are killed, They will be sent to the off-plan room for respraying protection period. Our chassis parts have been refurbished. Next, continue to deal with the body, since we use the same manual bar method as the car construction of the year. Therefore, it is inevitable that there will be small dents and scratches on the surface tendons. In order not to affect the final paint finish, we choose the whole vehicle to scrape putty for leveling, at the same time repeatedly polish to adjust the surface flatness, until every detail meets the factory standards of the original car that year. Next, primer the whole car in spray painting. This step is to make the paint surface adhere better when spraying the paint. Improve paint flatness. After the primer dries in the middle, the last nuclear vehicle is carried out before the final assembly of the vehicle. The palanquin is plated with pieces for the restored appearance. The decorative strip and the original ULU car logo of the original factory that year were repeatedly adjusted to be plated with an appearance part until it fits the body perfectly. After the adjustment is completed, we will also spray a layer of scratch-resistant and wear-resistant chassis armor on the chassis. Then prevent the base plate from causing serious corrosion such as this, and at the same time play the role of sound insulation and heat insulation. Next, the owner of the fourth phase of spray painting will see the finished product of our restored Jaguar 3, decided to change to an apple rate that echoes our Jaguar 3DIC-47. I have to praise the owner for his aesthetic experience online. Spray protective varnish after constant temperature drying the paint surface. This step is the decisive factor affecting the texture of our paint surface. After the part is sprayed, the paint surface of all parts must undergo multiple rounds of polishing and grinding. Special polishing wax for the paint surface is matched with a polishing machine. Strive to restore the original classic paint texture. Look at this apple green lacquer. At this time in our Pengdian workshop, after the master of Pengdian completed the dismantling of the sofa, Pengdian next start making sofa leather cases. After selecting the right leather, cut out the right size leather and sew a certain interval. While waiting for the repair of the sofa skeleton, use a special foam cleaner to clean the leather. The next step is to glue a layer of soft-wrapped sponge to the skeleton before cutting off the excess. Wait for the soft bag sponge to be completely bonded firmly to the skeleton, and then apply a layer of high-density sponge as support. Finally, the sofa is installed with a leather case and waiting to get on the bus. Next, make the dashboard leather surface. Again, start with a layer of high-density sponge. Good sound insulation while preventing deformation. Then pack the same leather material as the sub-sofa. After adjusting the appropriate size and shape, cut the excess part. The last step is to bond the leather layer with the sponge layer. In this way, the leather surface of our dashboard has also been refurbished. At the same time, the radio parts of the original car also arrived at the factory, and the radio buttons were damaged due to oxidation. Let's use eye to shape the same radio button that was repaired before. Fine grinding after shaping. During this period, the matching degree between the button and the radio should be continuously adjusted. Finally, spray a layer of anti-oxygen and wear-resistant protection period button, and you're done. Final assembly begins after all parts are refurbished. Install the roof inside the car first. Next, install the various components in turn. Engine reassembly. Install a plated appearance key. At this point, the Volga 21 has been restored. Let's immerse ourselves in the aesthetics of Sushi from 60 years ago.